Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now we are driving on the section of the highway between Harborview, the Harborview Bridge and the Yallow's Bridge. So we are at the Sun Coast Adventure Park area, and we're driving from the Sun Coast Adventure Park to Albion Heights. So this section of the highway, they took the existing roadway and expanded it into 4 lanes and made it into a highway. So this is actually the part we're driving on now. Very nice road. Game changer for the parish of St. Thomas. Never before has St. Thomas had roads of this quality. And there are actually few places outside of Kingston that have roads of this quality. So it's going to be 4 lanes, 2 lanes on either side, a dual carriageway, but they're still working on the lanes on the right. And so that's why you see the traffic going in both directions on this side. But once completed, 2 lanes this way, 2 lanes the other way. And this entire project is to finish by August 2023. So I should say this section of the project, because it's being built out in phases. The entire highway is going to go from Harborview in St. Andrew through St. Thomas into Port Antonio in Portland. But as they finish a section, they open it up to the public and you can drive on it. So the section between the Harborview Bridge and the Yallow's Bridge is going to be 4 lanes. And this section falls between in that region. So the section between Harborview and Yallow's should open by August of this year. Now between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, the road runs along the existing roadway, so nobody is displaced. It's the existing road, they just expand to 4 lanes. But in certain sections, 2 sections, from 11 miles to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, a new road has been built going over the hill. And then this section, it runs along the existing roadway from the Sun Coast Adventure Park to Albion Heights. And then from Albion Heights to Grand Spend, a new road has been built over the hill. So whenever a new road is built, it changes the flow of traffic, and persons along the existing roadways here could experience problems, basically because the road no longer goes through that area with the traffic for people to stop and conduct business. But it's only 2 sections where the road comes off the existing road alignment, and that's from 11 miles to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, and then from Albion Heights to Grand Spend. But the rest of the road will run along the existing roadway. And the section from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge is 4 lanes. And then from the Yallow's Bridge to Port Antonio, it's going to be 2 lanes. In some sections, 4 lanes, but the majority of the road will be 2 lanes. So this is a very nice project. They need highways like this running through every parish in Jamaica. And the good thing about this road, it's not a toll road. It's not a toll road. You don't have to pay to use it. It's basically free. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor, and the government took out loans to build it from the China Exim Bank. So whenever you use the China Exim Bank, in most cases they ask that China Harbour Engineering Company be the contractor. But regardless of where the loan came from, China Harbour Engineering Company is the main contractor in Jamaica. They build all the major highways in Jamaica. We actually have a video up about how China Harbour Engineering Company started in Jamaica, so you can search a channel for it. It's very interesting because China Harbour Engineering Company did not build the first highway in Jamaica. They were not even one of the final bidders. They didn't even, I don't know if they even bid on the highway, but They came in later on and now they build all the highways in Jamaica. Very interesting video. I recommend you check it out. Okay, so we're actually out here by Albion Heights now. So remember, between the Suncoast Adventure Park and Albion Heights, it runs along the existing roadway. Now, right here, you can see on the right, this is Albion Heights. This is where the road now goes, takes a new alignment and goes over the hill. We can't drive on it because they have the barricade up. Oh, my lady is relaxing. Alright, so this now is the existing main road. Remember, the highway, this section of the highway is not open yet. So you can see firsthand when I said at the beginning of the video that this highway is a game changer. Never before has St. Thomas seen roads like this. This is the road you had to drive on to get to St. Thomas, or get to Yallows, because we are in St. Thomas now. This was the existing roadway. So we're just going to drive on it out to Grand Spend so you can see what people, you can see why we said game changer. Compare this to the road at the beginning of the video and you'll see a huge difference. People often refer to St. Thomas as a forgotten parish, and that is because you had to drive on roads like this to get there. It is best you forget it if you have to drive on roads like this. Actually, maybe I shouldn't have said that, but one of the main reasons why persons didn't visit St. Thomas very often is because of the road conditions to get to, say, Yallows on that side of the island. But all that is going to change as we have a world-class highway being built, and the section from Harborview to Yallows should open by August. We'll keep you guys updated on this project, and we'll make videos every week to keep you guys updated on the progress. So remember, when the highway is open, you no longer have to drive on this road, because the new alignment of the highway from Albion Heights to Grand Spend cuts out this road. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.